Till Karbi Anglong district, already 20-30 dead body. I used to give with my hand itself. So I request you please help us about these cases. And even Sankuti Baido, I came in your office 2019 January 28th. I came in your office and I asked you to please come in our district to give an awareness, but still till today we don't get any awareness. So, ma'am, I requesting you please give an awareness at our district. And one question. There is 3,000 to 4,000 children at Nogong about our Karbi community children. We want to take back all the children at our district, and we want to give a free education to the children by our Karbi Thomas District Council. We want to give a free education to the children, but the owner of the house and the parents don't allow us to take the children. So in this case, what will you help us?
In this case, we already, during that time, because we also came to know that there are more than 1,000 children from Karbi Anglong working in different places of Nagaon and Morigaon district. So we wrote to the department, education department, to provide us the list of all children who are from outside the district, so that the children coming from Karbi Anglong can be sent back. And we also wrote to the Karbi Anglong, DC Karbi Anglong, about the to give us the details and to make an inquiry. How many children from Karbi Anglong villages have been sent back?
You said about DC of Karbi Anglong. They won't do it. If you want a list, I'll give it. I'll do it and I'll give it. I will give it, but you need to help me. You will help it. We will take all the children and we will give in Karbi Anglong. That's my promise. If you help me.
Surely, we will. You please. We will. You come. You contact with us. We will discuss, and we want all the children to go back to Karbi Anglong.
Okay.
In this case, we made all the efforts.
Thank you very much.
One thing I would like to tell you, when you spoke of rescue, now there is a SOP post-rescue, which has been taken out by NCPCR. Please share your email ID. We will share the document of that SOP on rescue, which you can refer to. It will be of a lot of help to you in similar such activities in future. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir.